So for this question here, it says Megan is pushing Katie in a wagon. If she pushes the wagon at a constant velocity of 11 meters per second for 179 seconds, how far will Katie travel? So it gives us a few numbers here. So we have 11 meters per second. That's going to be the velocity. So I'll write that over here. And it's a constant velocity. So it's your initial, it's your final, it's your average, it's everything. So I'm just going to write it as average here. So average velocity is 11 meters per second. And then it says that she does that for 179 seconds. So that's going to be our time. So time is 179 seconds. So then it's asking for how far. How far is obviously displacement. So we're trying to figure out how far as she goes. Now it doesn't give us an initial here, so really we're just trying to figure out the change in displacement. Final minus initial. We don't care where she started or where she ended. We just want to know how far she went this time interval. So we pick an equation. So the equation that we pick is going to be related to this here. So this is going to be our very first formula. I'm sorry, it's going to be related to our very first formula that we learned this year. And so that formula is average velocity equals the change in displacement over the change in time. So to do that, and we want to find displacement. So there's several ways we can go about doing that. Algebraically, I would just multiply by delta t on both sides. That will cancel. And so I get delta x equals average velocity times your time. So now I just plug in and solve for delta x. So average velocity is 11 meters per second times our 179 seconds, which then let's see here. So it gives us a displacement of 1,969 meters. And that should be it.